Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, let's begin with this question. In this question we have to answer that why eugenol is more polar than the acetyl eugenol. Now if we see their structure, in the structure of this eugenol it will contains the OH group and OCH3 group, that is this methoxy group and this hydroxy group, and whereas this acetyl eugenol it will contains the acetyl group and the methoxy group. So here the presence of the OH group in the eugenol, it will makes it the polar than the acetyl eugenol. So now the next we have to answer that how they will be separated by using the TLC, that is by using the thin layer chromatography. So in the thin layer chromatography, generally there are two phases are involved over here. So the first one is the stationary phase, and in the stationary phase this will be composed of the silica and silica gel. The behavior of the silica gel is, this silica gel is generally this will be polar in nature. And next is the mobile phase. So this mobile phase we generally use the non-polar, here the non-polar solvent like the hexane is used over here. So or ethyl acetate can be used. So acetate, hexane or the ethyl acetate. So here firstly the thin layer, this here this plate is prepared. So this plate is made up of the glass. So here then silica is coated over it and it will be dipped in the solvent. So here the solvent used is the non-polar, so this will be the mobile phase here. So we can say that this is the non-polar solvent over here. So now here the spots of the eugenol and the acetyl eugenol is applied, then they will move they will move according to their polarity nature. So this eugenol, it is polar according to, now apply the solubility principle here. Eugenol is polar and silica is also polar. So this will makes the stronger interaction and it will remain stick to the, it will remain bound to the silica. So here this acetyl eugenol, it will be non-polar. Acetyl eugenol, it will be non-polar. It will does not make any interactions with the silica and it will move faster. So here we compare the RF values over here. So now here the RF value of, now retention factor is considered. So RF value of the acetyl eugenol, this will be higher as compared to the eugenol. So by comparing the RF values we can differentiate both of them. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.